Hey guys, we're gonna be unboxing this here today. It's really good. It's 4 terabytes and it's really small for how many terabytes this contains. So let's just take a look at it. Again, around the box, I'm just gonna show you. That's all the information around it. 3-year warranty, which usually these guys, I don't ever seen them last less than that. It's the cables really that something could happen, or if you unplug it without ejecting, you could burn it out. Sure, that's with any external hard drive, no matter how much warranty it's got. You guys could screw up like that. Anyways, let's just open it up. So here is the guide that we get for it. Extremely simple. Let me just make sure, if you guys are using this for your Mac or for your PC, I do have a tutorial how to properly set this up. Usually the software that's available to download or inside here is not what you guys want. What you guys want is to properly set it up. So I do have a video teaching you guys how to set this up, by the way. It's very small. So I can't say really, really small. So it's not as small as a normal USB stick, but it's so small compared to an external hard drive that has 4 terabytes. But again, it's an SSD, so it should be small. So right back here, you guys can see portable SSD, T5. There it is. You only have one port, that light, so you know that it's turned on. It's very important that these guys at least have a light, because that way you know it's at least powered on. Sometimes they just don't work, and you don't know if it's getting electricity or what's going on. Well, it has that light, so at least you know that. Now, this is the important part. See this right here? USB-C and USB-C. Extremely important. That's because a lot of Macs out there and PCs are coming out with USB-C instead of the regular USB port. So this will become our regular USB port, really, the USB-C, which are a lot faster. So I'm glad they are doing that. So you just plug in any side actually right here, and this will go into your computer. So no matter which computer you guys have, as long as it's USB-C, this should be fine. If it doesn't have USB-C, not to worry about. You guys can just purchase an adapter and that should work out for you. For those of you who have a Mac, luckily for you, all new Macs have USB-C. So this is perfect. Anyways, this is just an unboxing for you guys to see how it looks like. This is metal right up here, so that's nice. It feels good. It feels nice and heavy, which it should. And again, the big difference between an external hard drive, okay, and an external SSD is the size and obviously the speed. The speed of this is so much faster than an external hard drive. So that's why these guys are a lot better, but they are a lot more expensive, more than twice the price. So that's why people keep buying external hard drives. I still have external hard drives because at the end of the day, I do have an 8 terabyte external hard drive, which costs the same thing as this 4 terabyte SSD. Of course, it's way bigger, a little bit, actually a lot slower. But anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, we are all done. There's not much more to show you around this. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.